So with me being the idiot that I am sometimes, I'm trying to get to the bank for like 3 days now. I got halfway home and I just had to turn around and drive all the way back. So back to the bank, or I should say, gotta go to the bank. I have 2 checks that I have to drop off. Yeah. So now, I was able to deposit my money, and oh my God, that diesel stinks. Okay, people, so I was able to deposit my money, and so got that taken care of. Now I gotta head to the house. Well, I shouldn't say head to the house. I'm gonna head to my usual spot. Plug this sucker up. Do a little, and let's see what happens. I'm freaking bored. Off we go. He's supposed to be on his way out the door. Gotta go to Walmart. Grab some stuff from Walmart. Especially for the girls tonight. I don't know what she wants to eat. I was thinking about making some spare ribs. I don't know if I want to make ribs tonight. I ain't gonna be able to make nothing if he don't hurry up. I gotta work in the morning. I gotta get up about 2 o'clock. Saturday work. Extra money. You know what I'm saying? Money, money. Dinero. Oh well. Wait till this egg-headed punk get out here, man. Come on. What? Come on, man. You ain't been on the channel in a while, dude. Huh? Oh, I don't get embarrassed when I'm out public recording. It don't bother me no more. Huh? Hell yeah. Because you love her. Why so violent, bro? Why so violent? Tom. It's hard to make a decision, ain't it? Spend 20 or spend $15 more.
How much is this one? How much is
Hamilton Brew. That's 50.
That one there's right there. No, this one's different.
Hey, Tom. You know it's rude to be on the phone while I pay for your stuff. Yeah. It's alright.
Oh.
Eating her fries.
Bang, bang, bang.
Gang, gang.